guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vaishnavi Acharya and yes, welcome back to my channel. आपको टाइटल से और थंबनेल से तो पता ही लगा होगा कि what is going to be today's look. So today's look is all about step by step makeup for the beginners. Like जब भी मैं starting में जब भी मैंने मेकअप सीखना चालू किया था तभी I used to search on YouTube की so I thought it will be useful for you guys, and also I created this simple look, red lip look you can say, in which I have used some new purchases and PRs which I got from Sugar Cosmetics. So yes, I hope you like today's video, and if you do like today's video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment below कि आपको क्या मीन्स ये वीडियो देख के आपको क्या लगा, योर व्यूज़ ऑन दिस वीडियो. सो डेफिनेटली कमेंट में बता देना, एंड ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब अगर किया ही होगा तो शेयर भी करना आपके दोस्तों के साथ. एंड दैट्स इट, एंड लेट मी नो वॉट एवर योर व्यूज आर ऑन दिस वीडियो, दो इट्स नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, योर कंसर्न मैटर्स टू मी. सो आपको जो भी लगे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना. सो या दैट्स इट, एंड वीडियो एंड तक देखना, एंड दैट्स इट. थैंक यू. So let's start. So the first thing which I do is clean my face either with wipes or with micellar water. So here I use the wipes, rose wipes, and you can go for micellar water as well. So this is my first step. The second one is toning my face with a toner, and this is from Dot & Key, which is a hydrating toner. The third is moisturizer, of course, and this is also from Dot & Key and it has vitamin C in it. Now the next step is sunscreen. Definitely sunscreen is must for your skin, no matter you're staying in or you're going out, but don't forget to apply sunscreen. The next thing is lip mask, which is also from Dot & Key. So मैं एक eyebrow pencil के स्पूली से eyebrows comb कर लूँगी, and then I will use the eyebrow tint which is from L'Oreal, and ज़्यादा apply नहीं करने वाली हूँ, and it is an optional step. So the next one is primer, and this one is from Swiss Beauty in the shade Golden Tint. And the next step is a color corrector which is in the shade yellow, and this is from Nykaa. And मैं under the eyes, over the eyes, और जहाँ जहाँ dark areas है मेरे face पे, I'm just going to apply it over there and just going to blend it with a wet beauty blender. And you must know that the blender must be wet at any cost. Please try to avoid dragging or blending whatsoever with a dry blender. It will harm your skin. So just spray a setting spray on your blender or a mist, or at least use water whatsoever, but don't forget to use damp beauty blender. And I'm going to use the foundation which is from Miss Layer, and it is said to be full coverage foundation, and it is in the shade Ivory, and it matches my skin tone, like similar है थोड़ा बहुत. And yeah, and the next thing is blending it again wet beauty blender से. Don't drag. The next thing is the compact powder which is from Faces Canada, and I'm just going to set my makeup. And then I'm using a palette which is from Beauty Glazed, and I'm just going to use the mustard and brown shade from it and just going to blend it on my eyes. That's it. ज़्यादा कुछ मेहनत नहीं करने वाली हूँ मैं. Now I'm just going to use the Sugar Cosmetic का blush, and I'm just applying it over my eyes and under my eyes. I look completely optional. आपको जो अच्छा लगे आप कर सकते हो. Right now मैंने सोचा था like light eye look करूँगी because I have to apply a dark lipstick, red lipstick. So I thought to apply pink blush as my eyeshadow. अब मैं अच्छे से उसको blend करूँगी eyeshadows को with the help of my finger. And the next thing I'm using is this glitter palette which is from Nykaa, and it is amazingly pigmented and it is amazing. And the next thing is setting my eyes with a compact powder. You can use translucent powder or compact powder, it's up to you. The next step is contouring my cheeks, and here also I use Sugar Cosmetics ka contour which is a new purchase. एंड अपलिफ्टेड डायरेक्शन में मैं अप्लाई करने वाली हूँ सो दैट मेरा फेस पतला दिखे और अपलिफ्टेड दिखे. एंड ऑल्सो शुगर कॉस्मेटिक्स का ब्लश एंड आई गॉट दिस एज अ PR. सो तो भी मैं इसके लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी, सो चेक इट आउट देयर इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड. एंड देन अगेन बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लश अप्लाई हो गया था तो आई जस्ट टुक अ ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर एंड या दैट्स इट. यू कैन सी अच्छे से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गया ब्लश. उसके बाद आईज के लिए eyelash curler and we know that we are not going to miss out this step because it is very much important. Now this is again a PR product and this is from Sugar Cosmetics and it is a mascara. And बहुत ये लेंथनिंग के लिए मतलब लेंथ के लिए था, ये थिकनेस नहीं दे रहा था बट अच्छा था. एंड दिस इज the most affordable product which is from LA18 and it retails for ₹90 I guess. It's amazing product with amazing pigment I can say. The next thing is the lipstick. Again this lipstick is a PR which is from Sugar Cosmetics and it is amazing, just amazing. I am not a fan of dark lipsticks and all, but this shade have my heart. This is a game changer I can say, this lipstick, and it is so lightweight, so pigmented, and the formula is so you know soft. I just can't describe it, but just go for this lipstick. And then highlighter which is from Nykaa Cosmetics, I mean Nykaa Beauty. And look at that glow, isn't that amazing? Now a makeup fixer which is from Swiss Beauty, and I am not a person who spray makeup fixer all over her face, but I just spray it on my blender and dab it all over my face. So yeah, that was today's look. Hope you guys like it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.